Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in Bahia College's PNET online support program with subject Pakistan Studies, chapter number 2, Making of Pakistan, and the topics are CRIPPS mission and CR formula. The objectives of today's lecture are: discuss the proposals of CRIPPS mission 1942 and reaction of political parties, discuss the CR formula 1944. First, we have a quick recap. In the previous lectures, we have learnt about the background of the Pakistan Resolution, the Lahore session of Muslim League and adoption of Pakistan Resolution, the silent features of Pakistan Resolution, analysis and importance of Pakistan Resolution. Now, in this lecture, we have learnt about CRIPPS mission. In CRIPPS mission, British had to face military setbacks in the early years of World War II. In order to get support of Indian political parties, British government sent a mission to subcontinent headed by Sir Stafford Cripps. The Muslims had made demand for Pakistan through Pakistan Resolution. The Congress had launched movements against the government. The CRIPPS mission had failed. Here we are going to discuss the proposals of the CRIPPS mission. Number 1. British government. After the war, the subcontinent will be under the Crown, but the British government. Number 2. Authorities. Defense, foreign affairs, communication, etc. will be handed over to the Indians. Number 3. Elect a Central Assembly. The members of the provincial legislative assemblies will elect a Central Assembly for framing constitution. After the constitution is framed, it will be sent to all the provinces confirmation. The provinces would not approve the constitution, would not approve the authority to establish their independent status. Number 4. Security of minorities. Appropriate steps will be taken for the security of minorities. Reaction to the political parties against the CRIPPS mission. Muslim League and Qaid-e-Azam reaction. Some point about minorities did All India Muslim League. The demand of Pakistan was not clearly mentioned in CRIPPS mission. Muslim League refused to accept the proposals of CRIPPS mission. Reaction of the political parties, Congress and Gandhi reaction. All India Congress also rejected the proposals. They disapproved the authority given to provinces. Congress was not ready to accept any proposals regarding partition. Now we are going our second topic of today's lecture, CR formula 1944. The British government crushed the Quit India movement launched by Gandhi and put Gandhi behind the bars. Gandhi tried to weaken the Muslim League by trapping Qaid-e-Azam in a conspiracy. Gandhi used Chakravarti Rajgopalacharya and asked him to express opinion about the partition of India. Chakravarti Rajgopalacharya was a leader of All India National Congress. He belonged to Madras. Rajgopalacharya and Gandhi finalized the formula in March 1944. This formula is known as CR formula. The formula was sent to Qaid-e-Azam. Qaid-e-Azam was informed of the details of the formula on 8 April 1944. The main points are: below of CR formula. Number 1. Agreement between Congress and Muslim League. This formula is the basis of an agreement between Congress and Muslim League. Gandhi and Quaid-e-Azam will agree it and they will try to approve it from their respective parties. Demarcate the districts. At the end of the war, a commission would be appointed to demarcate the district having a Muslim population. Formation of provincial interim government. The League was to endorse the Indian demand for independence and cooperate with the Congress in formation of provincial interim government for a transitional period. Freedom expression. All parties would be allowed to express their stance on the partition and their views before the plebiscite. Event of separation. In the event of separation, a mutual agreement would be entered into for safeguarding essential matters such as defense, communication, and commerce, and for other essential services. Transfer of population. The transfer of population, if any, would be absolutely on a voluntary basis. The terms of the binding. The terms of the binding will be applicable only in case of full transfer of power by Britain to Government of India. Students, there is a home task for you. Reading and highlighting page number 23 to 26. Learn by heart the CRIPPS mission and CR formula. Write any 3 proposals of CRIPPS mission. What are the main points of CR formula? Write them in detail. Students, I hope you have understood the whole lecture. Thank you.